You don't always have to spend money to make money. If you want to launch a side gig to generate regular part-time income, or if you're looking for some quick extra cash, there are websites that can help you do it. Consider these top resources to make money online. Depending on whether you're looking to earn extra money quickly or build a long-term income stream, each of the following websites offers unique advantages tailored to different needs and interests. Watch on for more information on each site. Upwork. How it works. Upwork is essentially a meeting site where businesses and freelancers throughout the world can connect and collaborate on certain projects. Businesses hire freelancers for a variety of different services, including writing, web design, running SEO campaigns, and pretty much any work that can be done on a computer. Fiverr. This is also a popular website that can be helpful for freelancers. Know something about digital animation? You can work for someone who doesn't have these skills and pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to compile web research for someone for fast cash. Etsy. If you're artistic and are the type of person who can make custom jewelry or refrigerator magnets, Etsy is the place to sell your products. There's a lot of competition on the website. On one hand, the branding is big, and a lot of people know about Etsy. But once you put up your wares, as with Upwork and Fiverr, you are one in a gazillion people selling stuff on Etsy. It may feel a little TaskRabbit. Are you willing to get your hands dirty? People come to this site to find those willing to do various tasks, such as putting together a bookcase, cleaning a garage, or running an errand. Do as many tasks as you want, and this could become quite the part-time, or full-time, job. You can apply for tasks, but you can also put up a profile, explaining what tasks you're available for. Wonder. People come to this site when they need research done. Wonder doesn't hire just anyone, but you can apply. The process takes about 5 minutes, according to the website. And if Wonder thinks you have the skills to do research, you'll get access to its dashboard. You can then choose to answer a question, perhaps coming from a business executive or an author writing a book. ThreadUp. With a tagline "Second-hand clothes, first-hand fun," this e-commerce company appeals to thrifty types looking to make money and sell their clutter for cash. The online thrift store sells women's and kids' clothes. Here's how it works. You send your clothes in a ThreadUp bag with a prepaid mailing label, and ThreadUp will decide the value. They're looking for nice clothes and popular brands. Swap. Like ThreadUp, Swap is an online consignment store. After you send in used clothes and toys and games, Swap will sell them for you. As per how much you can make, the website explains that if something is priced for less than $10, you'll get a 30% credit to buy something from swap.com, or 20% of the sale price back in cash. If your item sells between $10 and $20, you'll earn a 50% credit. Gazelle. If you have an old cell phone or another device, think iPads and computers, you can sell your electronics here. The website will give you a cash offer for your device. If you agree, you'll be sent packaging materials. Gazelle pays the shipping costs, and you'll wait for a check in the mail, a gift card to be sent, or cash transferred to your PayPal account. You may not make a fortune. Cardsell. This is a popular site for selling gift cards. Maybe some of the gift cards you got last Christmas have sat around unused, and you don't think you'll ever use them. Well, tell Cardsell what you have, they'll make you an offer, and if you agree, you can exchange it for cash or, ironically, another gift card. OfferUp. If you don't have the energy to hold a yard sale, OfferUp may be the next best thing. After you take a picture of what you have and price it, hopefully somebody nearby will see it online, love it, send you a note, and you'll meet in a public place. OfferUp's website recommends, and you can get your cash. That said, OfferUp also offers ways to mail items to buyers. That's it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss an update from our side. Thank you.